Did you know that some of the biggest businesses in the world operate behind the scenes, selling to other businesses instead of consumers? If you're looking for a B2B business idea that can make you millions, stick around because I'm about to reveal some of the most profitable and scalable opportunities out there. Before we dive into the ideas, why should you even consider a B2B business? Well, B2B businesses usually have higher transaction values, longer customer relationships, and predictable revenue streams. Plus, many companies are willing to pay a premium for quality services that help them scale. Every business needs customers, and that means they need marketing. A B2B digital marketing agency helps companies with SEO, paid ads, and social media to attract high-value clients. If you have marketing skills or can build a team, this is a gold mine. Software businesses are booming. If you can create a tool that solves a business problem like customer management, invoicing, or automation, you can sell it as a monthly subscription and build recurring revenue. Entrepreneurs and executives are overwhelmed. You can create an agency that provides trained virtual assistants to help with admin tasks, customer service, and scheduling. Businesses will pay top dollar for efficiency. Companies need supplies, and wholesalers make millions by supplying raw materials or products in bulk. You can start small by sourcing products in high demand and selling to retailers or manufacturers. If you have industry expertise, companies will pay you for your knowledge. Whether it's business strategy, finance, HR, or operations, consulting is a highly profitable B2B business with low startup costs. Starting a B2B business isn't as complicated as it sounds. Here's what you need to do. Find a profitable niche, solve a business problem. Build your offer, create a service or product. Get your first clients, use LinkedIn, cold emails, and referrals. Scale up, hire a team, and automate processes. Start small, scale big. And that's it. These B2B business ideas have the potential to make you millions if you put in the work. Which one caught your attention the most? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business insights. See you in the next video.